when recycling leaves your driveway.
To tell you the truth, I never know what they do with that stuff when they...
I do wonder how far the recycling has to be taken now and if it's actually being used.
It is being reused for the most part, but that stuff has a long journey before it winds up back on the shelf.
First order of business is the quality control area where materials that are not readily recyclable are pulled out.
The county waste trucks picking up recycling in Charlottesville take it to Troy in Fluvanna County. There, in 20-ton loads, it's compacted into this 18-wheeler, and it's off to their sorting facility in Chester, near Richmond.
And then from there, we pull out the fiber materials, cardboard and paper, and then the cans and bottles are processed on the back side of the line. There is a lot of mechanical separation and there's a lot of manual labor.
Workers then pick out contaminated recyclables, things like greasy pizza boxes and glossy paper.
The standard is higher today in the quality of material that's being recycled. The initial push on the contamination threshold was driven by a change in buying habits out of China, and they have driven the conversation as far as an expectation of contamination.
With these higher standards, companies are sometimes left with one choice.
You find other markets for it. It is an interesting time in recycle. For a long time, what's been acceptable as recycled material is now under the scrutiny of just contamination levels.
Sunoco owns this paper mill in Richmond. The Chinese-driven push for cleaner recyclables helps them right here in Virginia.
You can start to see some of those benefits from some of the different suppliers. As they have to meet those demands for China, we're also seeing some of those cleaner fiber sources coming into our mill.
Better quality going in.
Yet, right now, really we're standing to benefit from the changes that the recyclers are making.
Means better product coming out.
The majority of everything we run is old cardboard. It can be anything from your Amazon boxes, cereal boxes. If it's brown, then it's generally recyclable.
Once Sunoco gets a shipment of materials, it goes to the pulper.
When we beat up that paper and we introduce the water, and then the energy that rotor puts into it just helps to pull those fibers apart.
It's then dried, laid onto a cylinder, rolled into 15-ton reels, and shipped to converters all around the United States.
They'll turn them into tissue and towel cores, the brown recyclable piece in the middle of your toilet paper or paper towel.
And that arrives at grocery stores, is brought home, and the cycle repeats.